Hello, I'm Nick. If you have machining product someday, please follow or subscribe me. Thank you very much. Okay, first, I will have a brief introduction for our factory. Our factory is established at 2006 and we have already run the company for 17 years. We started the company with 2 camshaft lathe machine. Nowadays, we have a lot of machines, including the lathe, the drilling machine, and the milling machine. We are professional on the machining. Okay, then I will show you the overview of the factory. On the left is a manual lathe, and on the right is a CNC lathe, and the bottom left is a grinding machine. And also there's a CNC lathe and 3 sonic clean machines on the right. And sorry, there is a mess. There are some products are ready to delivery. Okay, here there is a multi-shaft drilling machine and 2 grinding machine. The left is the old and the right is the new one. Okay, here there's 3 CNC lathe machines, a big one and 2 small one. Here is 2 machining centers. There are some slant lathe machines and there's another one behind this. We have a lot of camshaft lathes and some CNC slant bed lathes behind. And we are going to have new machines here, so we clean the area. And yes, we have a lot of camshaft lathes. And here are camshaft lathes too. And there is the waste metals and semi-finished product. They are waiting for machining. Okay, that's the overview of our factory. And by the way, the video was taken at the weekend, so the machine was not running. Please follow or subscribe me, and I will show you more news about our factory and the product in the future. Thank you very much.